Hey everybody, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Applied Materials. This is ticker AMAT. Now, AMAT is in the semiconductors, and the semiconductors are looking really good here. Looks like a bit of a breakout here. You can see these lines that I drew and was mentioning to Stock Market Mentor members yesterday. You know, we had this on our radar last night as a potential setup and breakout for the semiconductors. And I took a look at AMAT today, and AMAT actually didn't break out, but it is trading pretty orderly. So I'd like to apply some technical analysis to this chart and give you an idea of some levels that I think could be important over the next couple of days or so. And so as we see here, you know, AMAT is just kind of going sideways. It's been going sideways for a bit. We had a nice little pullback to the 200-day that was supported, popped back up, and now it's, you know, right back in support, right above the 50-day moving average. Now, I typically like to pay attention to stocks when they're near these key moving averages. A lot of times you can see institutions kind of step in and support price there, and it's a good place to really put a stop loss for a position because you know a close above, the institutions are supporting it. And you know a close below, you know what, chances are they're not supporting it anymore. So this is definitely in an interesting zone here. And if I draw just a little downward sloping trend line from the high in the mid-November time, clear resistance right down that area. And then we have a bit of a channel here as well. So it is kind of just pinching a little bit. You know, consolidation that's orderly and down to the moving averages. I really like that. And so what I want to see from AMAT is a clear break and close above that level coming on volume. So I think it makes sense to have an alert on Applied Materials, maybe just under 149, you know, maybe 148.85, something like that, just kind of under that level. Just bring it to your attention. So if it does break above today's high, you're alerted to it. Then you can act on it if needed. I'd want to see some volume through that move above the 8-day exponential. So that's what I would look for here on Applied Materials. You can apply this technique to a lot of different semiconductors right now. As I mentioned, the semiconductors are definitely an area that I think we should focus on. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com. Coming up tomorrow, Dan Fitzpatrick has a special webinar for members only that I think is going to be just so valuable. And if you're not a member, it's easy to join. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.